Okay, good afternoon, and this is another tutorial and video on SiteSurvey360 walkthroughs, and this tutorial is to show you how you can use Google Maps inside your facilities, inside your data center, to show your entire network and to easily, quickly navigate from site to site. That's what we're going to do here. So I want you to sit back and enjoy this. These pictures are individual pictures of a piece of equipment, but what I want you to do right now is I want you to imagine that these are different sites. This could be a picture of the outside of a window, looking at a building from the parking lot, to make it easier for you to understand that these aren't pictures inside one facility. This is 10 different facilities. And so try to get your head wrapped around that. Otherwise, this could be a little bit confusing. These represent individual sites. Now, what I want you to really kind of notice here is that there's these test JPG pictures here. And what we're going to do is I want you to understand what exactly you're looking at. Each one of these represents one of those sites. And so we take the picture away so that it doesn't take up as much screen. If you're interested in that one, you can mouse over it and get a view of that. If you wanted to jump to that location, you could quickly and easily jump to that location. So now we can look around this one, and here's another one over here. And if you're interested, you can look at that one. You just click on it to jump to it. So this is a quick way. So if you could try to externalize this for just a second. When I'm looking over here, I'm looking at this site. And so this site is in this direction from the inside of this building. So if you can understand that if I got on a road and I was able to drive in a straight line, I'd run right into this site, however many miles away it is. If I do the same thing over here, I can click on this one, and if I was on a road, I could drive directly to that site. It's a straight shot right there. Okay, same with this one. You can see these are all different sites. So what this is doing is giving you a geospatial understanding of where this site is in the world as it relates to the rest of your sites. And if you were inside and you were trying to understand, okay, well, where are the other sites from here, then you could do that. So this is a very cool, easy way to do that. And so I wanted you to see what that looks like. It's very, very cool, very quick way. Here's a couple of them over here. Here's one here. Here's one here. I could jump in and jump directly to that site. So these are, I want you to kind of wrap your head around that first. So we just jumped in to multiple sites. We just hopped from site to site to site just now. Okay, so now here's the thing I want you to understand. Imagine if you had a map, a Google map. Instead of these different pictures like this, you had a Google map, and the Google map had a 30,000 foot or satellite view of your entire network from space. What could that look like? Well, if you look down here in this right-hand corner, you'll see an icon, a map icon. If I click on that, that'll open up a map. And as you notice, there's a radar here. And each one of these, if I click on it, is one of those sites. So now I can easily, at a glance, look in the north position for each one of those. We could set those so that when you go there, it looks south, whatever you want. It doesn't matter. If you want them to look all west, you can make them look all west. So when you go to that site, you'd actually be looking at the west wall, if that's what, something you wanted to do. So here, you can look at your entire network from space, right? This could be a site, this could be a satellite map, this could be this, whatever map you want to show here, we can put up here. Move it around, you can zoom in, right? Zoom in this way if you want. Zoom out. Now what's really cool about this is let's say you're looking at this particular site. Yeah, let's just go down. Let's just for fun. Okay, we're going to check out this site. Now look at it. As I zoom out, look at the radar. Look how the radar focuses. Now, I'm looking north. On this picture, I'm looking due north. If I drove out the back wall and went in a straight line, I'd hit, one of these other sites. So let's say I wanted to know what sites are east of me. Oh, here's all the sites that are east of me. There's this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, right? So maybe I wanted to see if there's any sites, this one's southeast, right? Now we're looking due south. There's nothing out there, nothing west. So this particular site is almost the furthest west of this particular network. And then as I come around, you can see this one here is this one right here. It's in the line of the pin. So as you can see, if you watch the pin, the test JPEG over here come into view, you can see this radar line confirming that. If I go out here, it's not there, it's not there. This is all GPS coordinates. This is all extremely accurate. And it gives you the ability to jump from each one of these sites. This is a fantastic way to get a full picture of your entire network at a glance, and to be able to jump from site to site. And then once you get in here, you would have access to the rest of that survey. So you'd be able to put in all your hot spots. You'd be able to go around the back and look in, go up on top, get over the top, play your videos, because part of the project is to have a video and the video site survey. And one of the other products that you get with our company are 3D models. Currently, we're working on this as a beta, but we will have a 3D model that you can use for whatever purposes you want as part of the project. We will build the 3D model of your facility from the data that we gather, and then you can take that and do whatever you want with it. There's probably an endless amount of ideas on that. So I won't even try to start to touch on that. It's a whole different topic. So wanted you to see this, wanted you to see how easy it is. If you don't want to navigate that way, you can always click on these and go to the different sites. These are each, remember, these aren't different parts of the room. These are all different locations. This is just a representative of each one of the sites. These could be pictures of the outside of the building at the front door, so that it makes it easier for you to wrap your head around. But this is what this is, and I wanted you to see how fantastic this product is and how fantastic these features are. And again, this is SiteSurvey360. You can visit us at SiteSurvey360.com. You can call us at 317-383-1803 or email us at sales@SiteSurvey360.com. You have a great day. Thank you.